Good morning, everybody. It's Julian. Today is day 30 of me documenting my programming journey. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd at 6:17 a.m. And today we are going through some more Ultimate Portfolio app course lessons. And we are starting off with adding a quick action to our icon, which basically consists of on iOS, you can hold your finger on an app on your home screen and press down a little bit harder to get a menu of things that you can instantly do without opening the app. So we're learning how to integrate that into the app that we've been developing over the course of this whole course. So let's get into it. Finished the lesson, let's check out what I did. So this lesson again was all about adding quick actions to our app, and if you don't know what a quick action is, it's basically the thing that enables us to go to our app here, click and hold or tap and hold if you're on a real phone, and then hit new project to just create a new project right from the home screen of our app. The alternative to that is opening the app, going to this tab, and then clicking the plus button. Now you can add a new project to the app without having to even open the app. Again, if you haven't seen this vlog before, this app is all about adding projects and items for those projects to track your progress learning a new skill. So let's say a new project might be learn how to play guitar, and then you might add an item that says something along the lines of buy a guitar or take guitar lessons, blah, 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 blah. So all of that is happening with some UI kit stuff that I honestly don't really understand all that much of. There's a lot of different things going on here, scene delegate, app delegate stuff. I was stuck on a bug where I realized that I was conforming the scene delegate to the wrong protocol, and it was making me think that all of my code didn't work because maybe it was outdated or something, because Paul, the teacher, is running Xcode 12 and I'm on Xcode 13.3, something like that. I think 13.3. And so I thought maybe it was just outdated and stuff wasn't working, and then I finally figured out that that was the problem. And so that's pretty much everything that happened. And also what's cool is if we started out on our home screen, and then if we go from here and we do new project, we automatically get taken to the open tab and the new project gets added. And that's everything. And I'm feeling good about that. And I'm probably gonna rewatch that video at some point in the future just to really get that ingrained in my head, because it's a cool feature and I didn't catch all of it because it's a lot of new stuff, and I find that I always have to watch new concepts twice to really absorb them and get used to figuring out how they work. Now it's getting kind of late. I'm gonna have to get ready for work soon, but the next lesson is only 10 minutes, so I think I could get through it before I have to get ready for work. So I'm gonna give that a shot, but I probably will have to rush, so I'm not gonna film this. It's all about integrating with shortcuts, the shortcuts app on your phone. Honestly, this is another thing I feel like I'll probably never use. There have been a couple things in the past in these lessons that I feel like I might never use, but I want to just go through everything to be aware of the capabilities of stuff and really understand where everything can be applied, where it can't be applied, what it's useful for. And sometimes, even though it's an app, it's a lesson dedicated to a specific topic that I'll never use, it brings up other concepts that I've been curious about. And so I'm always grateful that I'm going through the things, even if I think I won't use them. Anyway, enough of that. I'm going to get going. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you tomorrow.